Okay, today let's learn how to install some accessories of the 4K camera. First, let's learn how to install the wide angle lens. This is the whole wide angle lens. It consists of wide angle lens and macro lens. Screw the nibs. Screw here. Okay, this is the macro lens. If you want to use the macro lens, you must use the adapter first. Screw in your camera. And then you can install the macro lens. It's okay. You can use the macro lens. If you want to use the wide angle lens, you must use the macro lens first. And screw your wide angle lens here. And then you can use the wide angle lens. Okay, now let's learn how to install the microphone. Here is a microphone. You must install the microphone's battery here. This the microphone's battery. Then you can connect your microphone and your camera with the hot shoe and the MIC output. Here. Then connect it with the MIC cable. Here you can see the MIC output slot here. Okay, now let's learn how to install the LED video light. The video light needs 4 AA battery. Install the battery here. Here is the power button. Press it to turn on and turn off. Also, you can connect your video light and your camera with the hot shoe here. Then if you want to connect your microphone and video light with your camera in the same time, you can connect your microphone on the video light hot shoe here. Then like this, and use this cable here output. Okay, that's all. Thank you for watching.